guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fried plantain. So I just wanted to clear up a few misconceptions about plantain before I get started. The way that we're going to be frying the plantain today requires one that looks like this. So if you take a closer look at it, you see that it's quite black. This is in fact an overripe plantain. Now I want to compare it with a banana because I know a lot of people, especially here in North America, get these two confused. You see plantain chips in a bag at the store and you're inclined to say that it's banana, but it's actually not a banana. So just for size comparison, this is what a banana looks like and this is what an overripe plantain looks like. These are very similar looking, right down to even when they're growing on the tree. It's really hard to discern one from the other. Plantain chips, so we see this all the times in grocery stores. So that's basically this, except it's green, and they slice that up really thin, they throw it in some hot oil and then sprinkle it with some salt, and that's how you get those types of plantain chips. So as you can see, I've just cut some slices right down the plantain, and I cut off the stems as well. And now I'm just peeling the skin back. Now I want to make sure that I cut these very thin. Here I'm adding some oil to a hot pan on high heat. We're gonna wait for this to get very hot and then we're gonna add our plantain slices. A lot of people add sugar to the plantain while they're frying it. Personally, I don't like to do that. I think it's unnecessary. The plantain is actually sweet enough to caramelize, and you'll see once they're finished frying, I'm going to transfer them into this plate with some parchment paper, and they'll even start to stick to the parchment paper because that caramel and that sugar acts as a binder and it just kind of makes it stick to the plate. So you can see it's kind of already sticking to the pan, just trying to loosen them up with my tongs so that when it's ready to turn, it'll be much easier. Just move them around a little bit. I've put it on medium heat now, just because you only need that immediate high heat to put them in the pan to get them going. But if you leave it on high heat, then these will burn and get black in no time. Every so often, just check the side. What we're going for is this nice caramel golden color. You can see this one here, it's actually really perfect. This one, nice and perfect. These are perfect now, so I'm just going to transfer them onto our parchment paper. Alright guys, so it takes about 30 minutes to do this, depending on, of course, the thickness of the plantain when you cut it, all those sorts of things. So after 30 minutes, this is what you'll have. So you can see they all have that really nice golden brown color, and it's quite a lot. What?
You can eat it all by yourself. Just say that this is not for me to eat in like 2 sittings, 1 sitting.
I can definitely eat something like this in 1 sitting. It's pretty light despite the fact that it's fried in oil. It's a great snack. You can eat it as a side in your dinner dish. There's lots of ways that you can use this, and it just tastes really, really, really amazing. So I would highly recommend that you guys go out and try this if you haven't already. Like I said, it's a really common thing to eat all across the Caribbean, not just Jamaica and Trinidad. So that's how simple frying plantain is. It's nothing complicated. There's just really 2 steps involved. You peel it, you slice it, and then you get it fried, and that's it. Remember, always try to fry it and get that nice golden color. That really is the perfect way to cook it. You get this perfect caramelization around it. It's kind of crispy, but of course the plantain itself, when you bite into it, it's nice and soft. So that's the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. As always, if you have comments, questions, concerns, just leave those down below, and I love hearing your feedback, so I'll definitely respond if you have any questions for me. I think that's it, so I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.